Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the blanks with characters which you want. So I have a sample dump here with me which has an ID, name, age, city and status. So I'm going to replace all the blanks with hyphen. So to do this I'll go to this edit section. It has a find and replace option. Now you will apply a simple uh, expression over here, caret and then dollar symbol, and then select match and search using regular functions, and then try to find the blanks. If you can monitor closely, I'm gonna, you know, side by side, put this side by side so that you can easily see how this is finding the blanks. So as you can see, like this is finding every blank. So if you want to place hyphen in a specific blank, so you can click on find option and then it will go to the blanks which you want to replace. I mean a separate or individual blank. Or else if you want to apply for all of the blanks, then you can you can select replace all. So I'm gonna replace for all of the blanks, so I'm gonna write hyphen and then click on replace all and then click on done. You can see it is the blanks are now replaced with hyphen. So this is how you can replace blanks, which is very necessary when you're dealing with the term. The blanks looks ugly. Also, it gives a impression that you did not fill the data properly. But when you apply this hyphens or zeros in place of blanks, that gives you the idea that the data is already properly filled and there is no need to fill the data. So this is how it works. At times when you have numbers and you want to do a calculation, so hyphen gives an error. So that is the reason you can instead of hyphen you can replace with zero, so that when you apply calculations a formula, so it will not give you an error. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll tell you like what you need to apply. It's a caret and then dollar symbol. So you enter these things and then start finding the blanks and replace with hyphen. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much.